Fuzzball. I got a girl, you wanna meet her? Dude, there's people at my school that was trying to do the stanky leg. It was funny. That scared the shit out of me last night when that thing moved.
What thing?
Fucking down there, like it made that noise.
Oh. God, 9 millions. See how beautiful and luscious my hair is.
You totally just jacked me in the face.
Duh, fucking along here while he's like. She freaking like biffed me in my head.
Ow! I think I have a bump.
Like, you have it right here on my temple. Oh my god, you got it right here. So you got it right here.